my way, learning when to go and when to stay. Through quiet lessons I have found, love is stronger when it's bound. Balance of love, steady and kind, learning to trust, to free my mind. Through give and take, I start to see what's meant to grow will come to me.